Good morning, everyone. Without recording, that is so I'll be the one for the country in So, Region 3 Central Luzon, located in large island of Luzon. It has a total land area of more than 22,015 square kilometers. It is composed of 7 provinces, Monasia, Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Zambales, Sambuanga. The Central Luzon climate is characterized by sunny season and dry season from November to April. Then ang iyang season is May to October, then marked by high temperature and humidity and frequent rainfall. The coastal province and features. So, Zambales, it faces the South China Sea, the Philippine Peninsula borders the large natural harbor of Manila Bay. Then Aurora is located in the northern part of the region and coastline major fishing ground, mga major fishing ground sa region 2, sa Luzon, ang is Manila Bay, significant area for municipal fishing, even then a major fishing ground for commercial fishing Water Bay, another key marine fishing area in the province of Aurora, and Sapsapan Bay, a smaller marine fishing ground located in the province of Aurora. Silasag Bay, also known as Pacific Ocean fishing area in Aurora. The inland fishing ground is Pandaga Swamp, the largest swamp land in the country located in Pampanga, which is significant inland fishing. Pampanga River is the longest and largest river in the region and vital for inland fishing production. So ang Pampanga is muna siya, sila dito sa garan mag-cultured ang mga those siya sa kanang
So again, ito na niya ano ang mga target participants. Ang target participants ay kamo.
then talibay kay natin sa kami sa loob sa ay sa dagat but talibay siya is muna siya ang kanang fresh granary of the baby like kanang sa kanan ni Gordon sila so
Just a start of idea between radiation stage and MVP. Therefore, pwede
then
mo going
recently
sa unang video
Central Luzon in the Philippines
idea para later, maybe following video
and the
page
literal
Manila, wala pang
and the Manila Bay to its south and this connection to larger bodies of water space. So the country sila opportunity to show the tungkol sa kanang sila sa West Philippine Sea o Then, muna yung mga target species and fisheries production. Tilapia, fish, tilapia, mudfish, exotic catfish,
blockchain, Web3, mixed
then ang mga fisheries production ang
product and services.
dako dito ang pag-culture nila sa Pampanga province. Dako dito ang kanang one sa mga tradition dito. And ang commercial is
Pwede mo, kailangan mo focus ng mga IoT, focus ng pag-AI.
and fisheries production mga crop sa 2023 to 2025.
Tama na to para mag-join me. So first is, inyuhan natin like our page, IICT Region 7, o CICT Region 7. Kailangan ito
Then,
ang
mga fishing methods, fishing methods and gear. So, una is knitting, gillnet, or then, spear fishing,
conservation,
Nine,
you
traffic,
have
and
to
high
your
level
goals, great, you just have to plan
and
it all out.
and
From
aquaculture
the
is the growing
registration,
source of food production in Central Luzon.
kuha na mo,
Fish farms,
page na mo.
fishes, and beans,
Then, you will also
particularly
need to
along
secure
our
food clearance.
and
As well
small-scale
as,
capture fisheries activities continue to be
you
a
need to
major
create your
livelihood
own
in
startup
our
logo. So
household.
just like any other business,
Households
you
and
don't have to
building
create a
areas.
startup logo. Ano
So
dahil yung
industrialization, the adoption of modern techniques like commercialization and other commercial equipment has increased pressure and fish stock. So mas ka na one din ang mga culture din ang culture fisheries nila is mao ang isa ko sila kala. Then economic importance, scale landing sites of fish ports. So muna yung mga scale landing sites, una is ang major fish landing place. Bukay, Bataan, San Pascual, Bunoy, Bulacan, Baraka, Camasite, Masinloc, Zambales, or actually, minor fish landing ports nila is
You have to create your own startup logo. And syempre, you have to make your own video page. And first of all, show you what video page and how to create video page. And as well as,
the major processing plants.
way siya format.
So, kasalanan sila ang mga mabalikan nila is
So video page at page test guidelines. So sa video page,
napa, daing, bagoong, buro, o
first
kapit.
is,
Then, ang local and export product nila is ang mga fresh na tilapia, bawos, mangrove crab,
let's say from the
prawns,
news,
mga
diba, pwede na ang mention or startup,
ang Commission to National Fisheries Authority is established of tilapia, shrimp, mangrove,
from that,
crabs, and shellfish. Kaya mga nakatagalan ni kanamo sa mga Pampanga. Then, leading in the production aquaculture accounts for about 50% of the production.
sustainable
Then,
development
aquaculture
goals.
is first quarter and last quarter is fund for aquaculture production. Then, the Pampanga Delta Institute is a major water aquaculture site known for its extensive polyculture system of hydropower, mangrove, milkfish, tilapia, region located in a quarry opening of Manila. So, manang masisuan ang Pampanga kay
Sige, give me one example
Bawal
of
sa Manila Bay.
SDG priority.
Then, environmental and environment aspects, the Masinloc, Uyon, they protected landscape and seascape, and Zambales is solo marine protection area.
Low poverty. Congratulations. Very good. So
Then,
dapat
total environmental sustainability and central zone is kanang mga water pollution,
part of the 17 sustainable development goals.
dito sila sa Manila Bay ang mga
Next would be, just like any other
and then
business, you should be able to recognize that you have video page. Minsan ang
habitat
iyong target
destruction,
market. One important thing, kapag sa, minsan ang iyong target market. Sir, interview na ito, wala ka lang yan sa likod sa
Sustainability of the sector.
1, 2, 3,
Then government programs in Region 3. So muna mga kanila is IFA Region 3 of National Shellfish Livelihood Project for Sustainability Shellfish Farming. Fuel subsidies
When we are creating a business, diba, it is important na we should know who our target market is. So why do we need to identify our target market?
Then the ILG code is the Institute of Fisheries Compliance for the fish to assist LGU compliance with fisheries law. So, ano yung mga challenges and opportunities niya? So, ang threat niya is overfishing, water pollution, habitat destruction, pollution. This problem been show high fishery production and are strong candidates for aquaculture expansion ng Pampanga, Bulacan, Bataan, and aquaculture opportunities inland aquaculture expand tilapia and shrimp farming, contribute to regional and national fish supply. Coastal aquaculture is potential for marine aquaculture in provinces like Aurora and Nogales. Though shellfish and other species.
What